This is how you're going to send automatic messages on Instagram. So Instagram automation is the best way to handle DMs and story mentions instantly. And this is how you're going to do it in the ManyChat website. So first thing, you're going to make sure that you're logged into your ManyChat account and you are on your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you can find all of the templates that they have here available for Instagram. You can choose, in this case, auto DM links from comments. This one is triggered when someone replies from your comments, or when someone comments on your post, your Instagram automatically DM them some kind of a link. Now, another thing that you can use among these templates is to respond to all your DMs. So basically, when someone DMs you, you can auto send some customized replies. So we can use this if you have this template. This one allows you to auto reply to someone when they DM you. So for example, they want to know some kind of price. So you're going to enter a specific word or words right here. So we can click on price right there. So when someone DMs you with the specific word price, this reply will be triggered. So they will get a DM back from you with a link. So for example, you can write a message right here and then you can add a link. So for example, you can say shop here, and then you're going to enter your link right here. This will be a button label. We're going to website link, for example, or you can also name this your shop, and then you can add your website link right here so that they can easily go there or click there and it will take them to your site. Now, another thing that we can do is we can start from scratch. So I'm going to head back to automation, going to click on new automation right here at the top. And then from here, we're going to click on start from scratch right here. And then we're going to click on start with a blank. Now, from here, you're going to select a trigger. So for example, a new trigger is when someone sends us a message. So when someone sends us a message, we can choose either we want to detect specific words in a message, or we just want to recognize intention of a message with the use of AI. So for this one, I'm just going to simplify it and use specific words instead. So if a message contains, for example, hello, this is going to be my first keyword. You're going to click on create right here at the bottom. And then from here, we're going to select the first step. So for example, I'm going to click on Instagram, and then this will be sent to them within the 24-hour window. So we're going to enter our text. We're just going to say hello back and welcome to the shop. And then this one will be sent to them if the user sends a message that contains hello. So this will be our trigger, and then this will be the reply on Instagram. Now this sends automatically as long as this one gets triggered. And that is how you're going to set up or send automatic messages on Instagram. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.